When you're creating a game, you would want a game to be left to chance. You wouldn't want a game to be predictable. Imagine a guessing game that always asks the user to guess the number 9. It would be very easy for the user to get hold of the game, and then it wouldn't be much of a game anymore. Or let's say you are building a machine learning model and you would want to process your data, and this data would you would like to maybe generate some random values that would help increase the efficiency or the appropriateness of the data. I don't know how to say it exactly, but imagine you want to generate something that is random, or you want to leave things to chance. Python has a module for that. Hello, my name is Paul and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to be talking about Python's inbuilt random module, which allows you to make random choices and generate random numbers and do most things in the random sense. Let's get on our code editor and let me show you. So now all you have to do to gain access to this module is to import it, and the module name is random. So all you have to do is to import random in Python. Remember, it's an inbuilt module, which means that you don't need any external package to be able to use it. Now, when you import this random module, it gives you access to many functions, and many functions that would help you make random decisions or random choices or anything that has to do with the word random. Now, two of my personal favorites are the random choice and the random int. The random int allows you to generate a random integer within a certain range. So I could do random.randint. Is this function that it comes with, random.randint, and I could generate integers between two values a and b. So I could generate an integer between 0 and 10, excluding the value 10. Of course, that's how Python works generally. So I could generate a value like this, and then I'll print it. So I could put result here to be equal to this, and then I would print result over here. Now when I run this Python code, you realize that it generates the random value 9. If I run it again, it will generate another random value 2. If I run it again, it will generate another random value. So that's how the randint function works. It generates values, an integer, between 0 and 10, excluding the 10. Another function that I like to use is the choice, random.choice, which allows you to make a choice from a certain sequence. So I could have my list here being equal to a certain list of numbers, and I would make the random module make a choice from my list. It would choose one of these numbers from my list, and it will print it out. So if I run this code, well, it chose the first one. If I run it again, it will probably choose another value. Choose the second one. Run it again, choose the last one. And that's how the random choice works. And these are two of my favorite functions that I use in the random module: the random choice and then the random integer generator. Now, to end off this video, I would have to tell you that yes, this random module generates values randomly, but in actual sense, it's actually a sequence of values that it generates. And there is something that we call the seed of these functions. The seed is like the starting point of the series of numbers that it generates. So if you keep the seed the same, you would end up generating the same numbers. But don't worry about this. This is beyond the scope of this video. If you want to generate the same sequence of numbers, you could go and learn about the seed and how to change the seed of this random module. That's it for this particular video. I thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy the video, a like and a subscription to the channel would be much appreciated. I'll see you guys in the next one.